Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. This is the first video of the new year. I am so glad to start a brand new year with you guys. I am super excited. I wish you guys a prosperous, blessed 2023. Without any delay, please let's get started. In this video, I am going to show you some wonderful decorating ideas for your bathroom using your hand towels. These towel folding techniques will definitely wow your guests or take your bathroom to the next level. I hope you are looking forward to seeing them as much as I am excited to show them to you. But before I show you the first one, let me share with you. Today's video is sponsored by American Luxury Gift. They sent me some of the wall art prints for my bathroom. The paper is not flimsy. It's just like any other paper that you would have on a frame or photo. It has a nice luster to it. I got these prints. I thought they were very funny and would give us a good laugh. This one said, "If at first you don't succeed, flush again." And the other one said, "I hope everything comes out okay." I thought that would be great for a guest bathroom or powder room. I think guests would have a kick out of them. This one is an inspirational print. I thought it would be a great one for my boys, but I think anyone who's struggling with self-esteem, this one will be a great one. I really like it. Here they are when hanging on a frame. They are not too much nor too minimal. Guys, question for you, which one is your favorite? But if you are looking for something spiritual, motivational, or prints for any other part of your house, they have something because they have an infinite number of wall art prints. They are on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link for them in the description box. Be sure to check them out. For the first one, we are starting with the towel facing up. Of course, we are using a hard surface. We're gonna fold the two borders, have them meet in the middle. This is what it should look like. Next, I am going to flip it. I am going to fold the bottom part and the upper part. I'm gonna make the upper part slightly smaller than the lower part. Next, I'm gonna fold in the lower part. The next step is to tuck it in. If you want, you can leave it like that. Or you can make it more stylish by doing this to the borders. Super duper stylish. I love it. For the second technique, I'm gonna start by folding the towel in half. I am going to bring the upper right corner down to make a small triangle. There it is. This is what it should look like. Then I am going to fold the triangle that I just made. And then I'm going to take the triangle and fold it into another triangle. At this point, it should look like this. And then I'm going to take the other side, fold it like a triangle as well. I'm going to do this side one more time so you guys can see. And then I am going to fold this piece down toward this way. This is what the fold should look like. But instead of folding it in, I'm going to tuck it in. Now I am making sure everything is tucked in. This is the finished product. As you can see, it looks very nice. A very beautiful fold. Definitely your people will be impressed. For the third one, we are doing another fold in half, this time horizontally. And then we are going to fold it in half again. Next, we are going to fold it in third. As you can see, everything tucked in really nicely. For the fourth one, we are going to start by folding the bottom. Then I turn it and fold the two borders, bring them to the middle. And then I fold it in half. Not a full half, but almost half. And then I am going to roll it in. For the fifth one, I'm gonna pick up the upper corner, bring it down to make a triangle. Then I fold the bottom part of the towel in half. Next, I am going to flip it upside down. I fold the bottom once and then I start rolling it in very tightly. And then I'm going to tuck in the end. By the way, Miss New York, you are the winner of the giveaway. Go down in the comment section. You will find my email. Send me an email with the information that I have requested so I can send you your prize. Guys, if you are not aware, I started a brand new business channel. In this channel, I am going to share personal finance advice and small business development ideas. Tomorrow, I am going to upload my very first video. It is going to be 12 things that I'm doing to reset my life and my business for 2023. If you are interested in any of these things, I am gonna ask you to go over there and check me out. While you're over there, remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos as soon as I upload. I look forward to seeing you over there. For the sixth one, we are going to do a fold in the middle. And then I am going to fold the upper part. I am going to do the same thing in the lower part. Then I am going to fold the rest of the towel. It looks very neat and spa-like. None of the borders are showing. For the 7th one, we are going to fold it in half. And then fold it in third. I'm going to tuck in the borders. I hope you have enjoyed this style of folding techniques, and I hope you had found some inspiration. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. We share glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.